Hello guys, if you're a beginner in the world of making money online, so this is one avenue you can start making money online through Hamster Kombat. So Hamster Kombat is a Telegram game. Okay, so you don't even need to spend a dime to start gathering coins and eventually converting it to money to actually make money for yourselves. I think you should hop on Hamster Kombat. So I'm going to be sharing with you my experience, how you can start mining Hamster Kombat. You can start today, in as much as very soon it's going to be launched. It's not up to 1 month after that mining on this app. Okay, you just mine, by tapping to gather coin, and you have so many tasks to perform to level up. Here is daily reward, daily cipher, daily combo. So this is a daily reward. Once you open the app, you can claim your daily reward here. Then this is also a daily cipher. So this is a kind of code you have to unlock to earn 1 million coin. And this is also a daily combo. You have to unlock to earn 5 million coins. So for me, is one of the easiest ways to make money online. And you can come here and as well start tapping. You also tap to gather your coins. So we have different ways of making money on this app. Okay, so you can also level up by going to mine. You tap on mine, you go down, you're going to see boost. This is also where you can boost your level to earn more. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have 33 minutes left here. Okay, so this is a kind of free daily boosters to also make you level up. So these are boosters, okay, where you have to, of course, spend coins to level up. Okay, so for me, it's one of the easiest way to make money online. So I'm going to be walking you through on how to get started. I'm going to be leaving my link where you can just click on the link. It will take you to Telegram. For you to start mining on this app and start tapping to make money, okay, all you need to do is make sure that you have a Telegram app on your phone. Okay, so guys, this is one of the easiest way to start tapping to gather coins, and which will eventually convert to money. So this is one of the ways you can make money in the crypto world. Okay, so like I said, I started this not up to 1 month now, and I want to share my experience on just how you can get started. So in as much as the launching date is by the corner, you can as well start. Okay, so it's my experiences I'm sharing here with you. Once you launch the app, right, it will take you to this interface. Okay, so let me show you how to get your daily reward. Once you come here, you're going to see these 3 daily tasks you're going to perform every day. These ones are due for me to claim. This one was the one I claimed yesterday, and it will be due for the day for me to claim my 5 million, okay, in few minutes, as you guys can see. So I have 22 minutes, okay, for this to update so that I can be able to claim my daily combo for the day. Okay, I'm going to be sharing with you on how you can get started by claiming your daily reward. Okay, so once you come to this interface, all you need to just do is just to go to daily reward, then you tap on it. So once you tap on it, you're going to see all this. Okay, so they're going to be sending you notification to go and watch their YouTube channel. Okay, then you gain plus 100 coins. Okay, so here is the daily task where you have to come and claim the daily reward. Okay, so once you click on daily reward tab, it will take you here. You go to daily task. Okay, you tap on it. Okay, so once you tap on it, so make sure that you come here every day. So this is the reward you gain by opening the app on a daily basis. Okay, every week it updates. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. So they have the amount of coin attached to each day. Okay, so once it's a new week, it updates. Get back to day 1, you earn 500 coin. Day 2, 1,000 coin. Day 3, 2,500 coin, and as the case may be. So day 8, you're going to earn 500,000 coin. So for today, which is day 2, okay, I have to claim my 1,000 free coin. So this is day 2. Then I go here and I tap on claim. So as you guys can see, it has been ticked green. So I've claimed my daily reward for today. Okay, so here are the tax lists. So once you launch the app, you're going to see all these tax lists for you to perform. So make sure that you join their Telegram group, you follow their X account, you choose your exchange. Okay, you must choose an exchange, right? You have to invite 3 friends. So I have 2 friends already, so one more. Okay, I'll claim this particular coin, which is 25,000 coin. Okay, so you choose your exchange and the rest of them. My exchange is Bybit. So when I type on exchange, then I go to here. So you're going to see different exchanges you have to choose. Okay, you have to choose your exchange and make sure that you choose the one that works in your country. Okay, as you guys can see, we've claimed our daily reward. So we also have daily cipher. Okay, so I'm going to talk about this in my next video, how to claim your daily cipher. So on this particular Telegram gaming app, okay, you have so many ways to actually earn coin. So guys, you can start tapping to make money. And for me, I feel it's easy because there are so many different ways for you to gain coin. There are tasks for you to perform. There are daily tasks for you to perform. Different ways of accumulating coin. They'll be launching soonest, okay, between July to August. They're going to be launching, so you still have time, okay, to start mining on this app. Like I told you, it's not up to 1 month I joined, okay, so please start mining. I'm here to share my experiences, so it's something you should also try. Okay, in my next video I'm going to be sharing about daily ciphers and other things you need to know. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to click on the link to join and start mining today. It's one of the easiest ways to make money online if you've not made money online. And of course, you don't need to spend a dime. Okay, for me it's a free money. So see you guys in my next one, and have a lovely day. Bye for now.